Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Kenton City 0. I'm joined by Kumkani.
Yeah, Stibo, yeah. Nabalandel be Kaizer Chiefs. Mamela Stibo, ne?
Sure.
Today team overall they played very well.
Quality football?
Yeah, quality football.
Yes.
One thing that we lack on is individual brilliance today. You understand? And mpinda ngibuye kule nto angihlezi ngitshela yona ngithi there are players esizothi noma ehambile kwi-Chiefs engesize siwakhalela.
Sure.
There are players mina ngiwakhalele noma ngithiwa kusasa uyahamba umuntu wakhona ngithiwa
Ubani? Ubani? Kumkani ubani?
Mamela. There are players adlalela iKaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
I'm not sure ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi udlalela ini.
Ubani lo?
They are just playing, you understand? Mamela. I don't want to individualize our players.
Sure.
You know very well. You understand?
Sure.
I love our players at Kaizer Chiefs. Each and every player edlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Noma ngathiwa iumbuze engakanani, but just because we part of the family, you understand that we show love kuye, you understand? Yeah, and as keep ebantu ekuma fans at Kaizer Chiefs, you understand? But amanye ama players overall, igame mercy winner first half. Masi ring ivar. 3-0 or 4-0 I think so. You understand?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, si buye netro. You understand?
Yeah.
But no. Amanye players mina. I'm so hurt. Amanye players noma player lengathi lona kusasa. I mean abaye babu Kaizer ngicela ukuziresignela mina ngajabula.
Ubani? Management.
Okay. Mamela. Uranga simgxeke samgxeka.
Sure.
Sekayadlaliswa just because ukhosi ufuna umnikeza ichance angathi kusasa ngitholanga ichance okudlalela iKaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Uyitholile ichance yakhe yonke kuKaizer Chiefs. For mina noma kusasa ngathi uyahamba mina okay. Khosi for life.
Akava. Yeah, sure.